Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. So over here I have some newly purchased clamshells. These are for you know, wax melts. Let me see. Oh goodness. Alright, let me get some of them out. Okay, so you know, these are just the regular clamshells that you would see your wax melts come inside of the store. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be using these for the first time, and I'm going to be attempting to make some black wax melts. I'm going to do Dragon's Breath, and I have both the black color in a block form, and I also have the black color in mica. If you do candles or wax melts, then you know that if you add mica to your wax, it gives like this beautiful shimmer, and when it melts down, it just, I don't know, it's hypnotizing. Like the way that it makes your wax look and float and dance, it's mesmerizing. Y'all, these things are hard to pull apart. Sheesh. Okay, so I got my little molds right there popping off. I got my color right there, and I am going to be adding some glitter. And I'm going to be adding this Dragon's Breath. And as you can see, I really like this. Well, I'm not sure if you can see. I can't get my camera to focus, but it has all of the percentages for adding it. You know, the ratio. Like for candles, it says anywhere from 3 to 12%. Soaps would be 3 to 5. Lotions also 3 to 5%. So this has got to be some strong stuff right here. Now, I've never purchased this scent before, so this is going to be my first time using it. I've already got my wax melting down and heating up to 180. Oh my God, just already that is on my hands, y'all. That's on my hands. It smells really good, y'all. So I'm going to be trying to do black. That's what I'm going to be trying to do. If it don't turn black and it turn gray, hey, then guess what? I was attempting to do gray. Okay. Now, those that do candles, you know that when you add in your color, y'all, it be dark. It might be the color that you want it to be, but when that thing hardens and it dries, that thing is pasteled in a mug. So let's go ahead and get this a try. I got my wax heating up. Alright, I got my fragrance oil right there. And I just did a 10% ratio. I heated up 5 whole ounces of wax. So I did, you know, 0.5 of the goddamn fragrance. And I'm going to actually put in a whole block of black. I really hope. Should I do 2? You know what? I'm gonna, I don't know, I'm gonna do 2, because I don't know. Or should I do a half? Alright, I'm gonna cut this one in half. So, alright, so I'm gonna cut this one in half. Let me get just a little bit more. And I'm also gonna add some mica. Like I said, if this turned out great, then hey, I was doing great all along. That's what it was supposed to be. Alright, so let me, will this even go in? No. Okay. Ooh, shoot, I don't want to add too much of that. Alright, y'all, I don't know. Okay, we're gonna go with that. So what I am now going to do is just go ahead and add some glitter to the tray itself. And this will be at the bottom. Alright, I also want to add some red, but I don't want to add too many because these are like kind of big, you know, big flakes. Just enough. And it said each one of these molds are supposed to hold 2.6 ounces of wax, so we gonna see. We is gonna see. Alright, y'all, I'm about to get my wax and bring it over. Alright, I heated this to 180. I'm now gonna add in my fragrance oil. And of course, I got my color in there. You guys, of course it looked black. Like I said, it always looks the color that you want it to be inside of the container. But then when you pour it in the dry, y'all, I don't know. I'm scared. I really think I should probably add another block of black just for good measure. But it is what it is now. Or another way that you can also test it is just by taking a little bit of wax and placing it down. Oh no, that's pastel like a mug. I need some more black. Yep, that was a good way to check. I mean, our dragon's breath, isn't it supposed to be like smoke? Maybe? Yeah. Isn't it? So maybe it shouldn't be that dark. I don't know. Maybe what I got it at is alright. That looked great. Look at that. I did a little drop test right there. That look great in a mug. See, that's what I'm talking about, man. You don't be knowing nothing. You just wishing on the stars. Guys, I am back. These are all dry. You guys, this this is not black. It's not black. It's more like a, I don't know what that is. Ooh, y'all, I love the way the back turned out. Look at that. Now that is pretty. I love that. It's more like a dark gray color. Yeah, it's a dark gray color. Not bad. Look at that. I love the bottom of these though. Love the bottom of these. Okay, so that is those. Yeah, this one has more like silver, you know, turquoise glitter. So let's see what these look like. Oh yeah, I love it. Can't really see it that good, but y'all, these things is shining. Love it, love it, love it. And then I went on ahead and also made some I made some stickers. And I was trying to figure out if I should make like the background of each sticker different, you know, depending on what it is. But I don't know. Maybe it'll look more uniform if they're just, you know, all the same. And there we go. I think that's super cute. And I ended up having some extra, what is that? Some extra wax of the dragon's breath. So I actually put it into one of these molds. Now, I will say I use soy wax, and soy wax is a softer wax compared to like beeswax or paraffin wax. So I'm not sure how they're going to do in that mold. Like, I should have mixed it. I should have put a little bit of beeswax in it. But I mean, hey, look at that. That's cute, y'all. I love it. And I didn't want to cover up the whole thing. Like, I wanted you to, you know, kind of see the glitter and whatnot inside of the mold. So that's why I did not take it all the way. Look at that. You guys, I'm super excited for that. And these were like so easy. So easy, so simple. You just pour it and you're done. Compared to, you know, like a wax mold. Like what I'm about to deal with right now. Trying to pop these things out. And praying that they're not too soft. That they just fall apart. Ooh, y'all, I'm scared. Ooh, I'm scared. I'm scared. Ooh, Jesus, be with me, please. That actually came out on point, y'all. Like, okay, okay. Yep, that actually came out awesome. Yep, that actually came out great. Look at that. Those are amazing in itself. Look at that. And it smells so good. So good. It smells great. So if you guys have, I will leave the link to these little these clamshells in the description box. I don't know if you guys are into wax melts, making wax melts, but I will leave that in the description box. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask as always, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.